Khmer New Year 2025 ends with joy, but Gjidivith sparks sound system debate. Khmer New Year 2025 officially ended on April 16, 2025, with joyful celebrations and happy moments across Cambodia. While the festivities have concluded, the public is still buzzing about a controversial moment involving Gjidivith, one of Cambodia's most popular rappers, who criticized the sound system during his performance at Sangkran Battambang. During his set, Gjidivith spoke into the microphone, expressing frustration that the sound was not loud enough. He said, "The sound should be louder. Don't be afraid it will break. If it breaks, Idol, referring to himself, will pay." He encouraged the sound technician to increase the volume to better showcase the system's quality. A short video clip of his onstage comments quickly went viral, sparking widespread discussion and debate on social media. Some fans and audience members who were dancing near the stage agreed with Gjidivith, commenting that the sound was poor and unprofessional. Others, however, suggested that perhaps the audience's lack of excitement was due to the quality of his performance and song lyrics rather than the sound. Some critics even questioned the event organizers' choice to feature modern rap instead of traditional Khmer music for the New Year celebration. In response, the sound system owner released a video criticizing Gjidivith, calling him an unprofessional rapper who knows nothing about sound systems. He claimed that his equipment was JBL and stated that if he had been present, he would have pulled Gjidivith down from the stage and placed him in front of the speakers to hear for himself. Following that video, the sound system owner also faced criticism. Many commenters argued that Gjidivith simply wanted to improve the sound for the audience's enjoyment and that the owner's reaction was overly defensive. Despite the small controversy, Khmer New Year 2025 concluded peacefully and joyfully throughout Cambodia.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ